Hello everyone, welcome back to CoreChamp's online tutorial series on MIT app development. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a secured application using your voice controlled password. So for that, first step is you have to get on MIT app development website and click on my new project. And after clicking on my new project, you have to give name to your project. You can give any sort of name, but make sure it's without spaces. So you can write password application, voice password application, any sort of word you like. And after that, you will be prompted on this page. And here you have to make some vertical arrangements for your application. The first is you have to drag one vertical arrangement, do it fill parent on both height and its width. And now you can upload your home image. Like whenever you will be opening your application, this image will be prompted. So you can choose any image from your gallery and upload in your application. And after uploading, make sure you disable its visibility just for now. And now you can drag another vertical arrangement and again do fill parent to its both width and its height. After doing so, again upload a new image. So this image will be opened only after you will be putting your voice password. So make sure you choose both the image accordingly. And after your image has been chosen, you have to drag some multiple components, like again disable its visibility and enable the visibility of your first vertical arrangement. You have to reverse that action. Now you have to drag one speech recognition from your media option and another text to speech block from your media options. Now get to the blocks, and here we have to make arrangements for our both points. The first is when screen 1 is initialized, you have to call your text1 dot speak. So go to here this method and drag it and go to now text, and you have to write text under this message section, and here you can write please enter your password. Like whenever you will be opening your application, the system will ask you to enter your password. Next is you have to drag when text to speech one after speaking, because after speaking your password, what should it react? Here you have to call speech recognizer dot get text and put it inside it. Now you can adjust both the blocks accordingly. And here you have to now drag when speech recognition after getting text. After getting text, how your system should act. Go to controls, drag if then else. And now you have to add equalizer from your maths menu and put text under the first empty section. And here you have to type your real password, like how you want to open your application. In this case, we will be writing hello everyone. Like whenever I will say hello everyone, it should act and give my results. Now go to get result and put it in the second empty section. Now we have to set vertical arrangement 1 visible to false. So in this section, here is vertical arrangement dot visible. Just type false in any empty surface, press enter and put that false next to the visible component of vertical arrangement 1. Now duplicate it, again paste on the next option. Now here you have to select vertical arrangement 2 and change false to true. And here you have to now add else option in your if then else block In the last stage, you have to call your text to speech one dot speak. So here you have to, if your password is wrong, which message you want to display. So here you can write password is wrong. So when you will be seeing the wrong password, the system will be saying your password is wrong. So that's how you can create your own password application. Now the last part is go to your companion, scan this QR code, and then you can test your application live. Now let's go to our companion and scan this code. Here I will open my companion, scan my code, and I'm getting on this screen. So I will say 123. So here is my password that is wrong. So now I have to say right password, that is hello everyone. So my screen has opened. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice time.